There are two types of tundra, the Arctic tundra and the alpine tundra. The Arctic tundra is at the Arctic parts of the world, like northern North America, North Asia, and southern Greenland. Alpine tundra is found at the tops of mountains, where it's definitely cold enough to be tundra and has snow. This type of tundra is found all over the world. The temperature in the tundra varies from negative 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Negative 51 to 10 degrees Celsius.
The precipitation in the tundra is usually less than 10 inches per year.
Less than 24 centimeters.
Arctic fox. Adaptation, stealthy movement because of its predatory nature.
Polar bear. Adaptation, 4.5 inches of blubber to keep them warm. Also, hollow shafts of hair provide insulation. Caribou. Adaptation, large hips sprout in snow to support themselves. Also, can lower their metabolic rate and go into mini hibernation when conditions in the tundra get very harsh. Ermine. Adaptation, makes stand in old dead trees or in crevices of rocks. Tundra bumblebees. Adaptation, cease functioning in cold winters. Also, dense hair slows heat loss. They move flight muscles to reduce heat. Bearberry. Adaptation, leathery leaves and silky hairs to help with the cold of the tundra. Arctic willow. Adaptation, protects from permafrost by having a shallow root system. Ant has adapted fuzzy hairs on leaves for cold weather. Other plants in the tundra include the diamond leaf willow, the pasque flower, and caribou moss. Yeah, I know, it's his moss.
Tire tracks from cars driving over the tundra can stay there for 30 years or more. Oil spills can affect the ecosystems in this biome too. The rabbit's right. Yuck.
In the tundra, there are all sorts of problems with the ecosystem. Animals are hurt because of oil spills and hunting and all these other problems. So I've come up with some ecotourism activities that help the environment that we all can do, and they're really fun and simple. So the first one is this tour where you go on. It's completely safe from any of the animals. And you count off all the animals and plants you see, and so they can keep track of populations to see, oh no, the Arctic fox is endangered here, and I only saw 4 of him today, and they compare it to past data and see. And the other activity is something that's also very fun. You go on a cleanup to the beaches, since oil spills also affect the tundra. You go clean up, you pick up trash, if any animals are on the beach hurt, you help them, and you do all this stuff to try to help them, and they go, weekly, and it's a really fun group. Let's go look at some of those activities now. That looks fun. Bye, see ya.